Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best heating pad that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Sunbeam Heating Pad. Sunbeam Heat Therapy Wrap targets shoulders and neck aches. This product offers a spa-style relief. This pad is available in several colors. It is compact and small. It can be controlled by a switch. The pad stays in place even when you're sitting. This product is specially designed to relieve everyday stress from the shoulders. It gives intense heat therapy. The pad comes with a digital controller that has 4 heat settings. Extra large heated neck wrap has a tailored design to provide lots of coverage and direct relief to the neck and shoulders. Moving on at number 4, we have Pure Enrichment Pure Relief Neck and Shoulder Heating Pad. Pure Relief Heating Pad uses fast heating technology which can quickly vanish the pain. It promotes stress relief and relaxation. A storage bag comes free with the product. It has a digital controller and several heat settings. This product is designed in a way that it can be used at any body part. It has a moist heat option as well. The pad comes with an LCD controller. It is available in several colors and the good quality material is used in it. Keep the heating pad looking beautiful for years to come. Just detach the heat controller to wash. Simply dampen one side to enhance the benefits with penetrating moist heat therapy. At number 3, we have UTK Replacement Cover Bag for Far Infrared Heating Pad. This heating pad features a far infrared heat and negative ions which give instant relief from pain. It heats up faster than other products. This product has jade stones and negative ions attached. This product can be folded or you can place it on your chair. It is extremely flexible. The product is designed with care and precision. It has an extra long electric cord. The heating pad can stay in its place as it has a Velcro strap. This pad features a temperature and time controller as well. This soft cover just fits into UTK Far Infrared Natural Jade and Tourmaline Heating Pad for Pain Relief. Medium Pro 31x21. UTK Far Infrared Natural Tourmaline Heating Pad for Pain Relief. Medium T Pro 31x21 and UTK Far Infrared Natural Jade Heating Pad for Pain Relief. Medium 21x31. These 3 pads. At number 2, we have WellRest Therapeutic Neck and Back Warmer. WellRest Warmer is specially made for neck and back. It is perfect to soothe back and neck aches. This warmer is huge in size and it will cover all your back at once. It has a plug in the controller with 4 heat settings that are adjustable. This product is made up of soft plush spa-like fabric and it feels amazing and soft. It is best for home and office use. It is designed in a way that it won't slide down even if you walk as it has a neck snap. And finally at number 1. BodyMed Digital Moist Heating Pad. This heating pad is an electric pad which delivers therapeutic warmth for pain in any body part. Get relief from joint pain, muscle sprains or strains or inflammation. It also has a lockout feature. You don't need to put water in it as it produces its own moisture. The product has easy to read LCD and you can control the heating pad from it. It is fully electronic and easy to use. It is available in 4 different sizes. The BodyMed Digital Moist Heating Pad requires no water but instead produces its own moisture using the humidity in the air. Easy to read LCD controls allow the use to set and monitor treatment temperature and time.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.